All right, quick video here. I want to show you how to cut your flooring around the toilet flange. Redoing my bathroom floor here, I'm using luxury vinyl plank, and this stuff is nice. Most of my house is luxury vinyl plank. At this point, this is Calibamboo Pros, Calibamboo luxury vinyl plank. I've used a lot of this stuff. This is the 5th bathroom that I've done, so not all in this house. I don't have 5 bathrooms, but some other houses as well. So I'll tell you a quick hack. If you don't want to go buy tools, you got to cut around that toilet flange. The good thing to think about here is it doesn't have to be perfect. The toilet is going to cover a lot of this when all is said and done, so you just got to get pretty close around that flange. Here's how I go about and make that cut. So the first thing I do is I find something that's about the same size as the flange. In this case, I'm using a Rubbermaid Tupperware top. That's about the same size as the flange. You want to make sure you got something covering that hole. You don't want to breathe sewer gases. And so this is about the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my piece, and I've already actually made this cut, but I'll just show you how I did it. And I'm going to put this where I want it to be. So it's got to be, you know, about right there, okay? And then I set this over top, take my pencil, and I'm going to draw a little template around my piece of flooring. So I set this right where I want it to be. It's going to go about right there. Set my piece on there. I draw my template, and then I used a oscillating tool. This is a Dremel Multimax. Use an oscillating tool. I took this out to my garage, and then I make that cut. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, show you my cut. It's not particularly pretty. This stuff has a limestone center, so it's very hard, and it makes a perfect cut difficult, but it isn't gonna matter. The toilet's gonna cover this. So I make my cut, made my cut there, then I can attach my floor. I got my next row here, and I did the same thing. So I set this next piece right up where it needs to be, draw my little template, and cut that hole. Hope that helps. If you don't have a piece of Tupperware, use some cardboard and just get that circle, set it over top, draw with a pencil, then you can go ahead and make your cuts. If you've got a better method that doesn't require buying something, let me know, but this is the method that I have used in the bathrooms that I have done. If you want to see a review of this floor, I put a couple reviews out there. I'll link to that right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like this video if it was helpful. I'll catch you in the next one.